demonstrate the Easy Trust Malaria Tri-Line test to detect the presence of malaria. The box that you receive it in will contain these two items. One is the test and one is the instruction card. So if we look inside the sealed test, we'll look inside the contents, and inside you'll see the alcohol swab pad for sterilizing your finger, the actual test card itself, and then you have a diluent and you have a pipette which will select the blood sample for you, and this here is the lancet which will draw the sample for you. So to run this test, first of all we open up the alcohol swab and then we sterilize our finger. So you sterilize your finger and then you can open up the test card. The test card is inside a second sterile container. We remove the test card and place it ready for the result. So what we do is now take the lancet and prime the lancet. We prime the lancet by pushing it in till you hear a click. So it is now primed, and then we turn the key here one rotation and then we remove the key. So the needle will now come out here once it's pressed against your finger. So you take that and you place it against your finger that you've sterilized, and you place it against there, and then you push down on this tab. So that has now created a small sample window for you to draw your blood. So you then take the pipette and use that very gently to draw off the sample and place it in the well. And you need 2 or 3 drops just to place inside the well, and then we will use the diluent to carry the sample through to the test. So that's all you need, 2 or 3 drops, and then we take the diluent that comes in the container and then we place it in the same well as the blood sample. So what we'll do is place that in the same well, 2, 3, that's it, that's all you need, and then we need to wait about 5 minutes while the test is undertaken. You can see already the test card is starting to show the blood sample being drawn up against it, and the C that you see here is the control line. So what we do is refer to the instructions that come with your test, and you can see in this section here all the results and the various types of malaria that are being tested. So the single one here, which is the C line, is the negative, which is the control line. The other results that you see here are the various types of malaria that you can see the results for. So within 5 to 10 minutes you will see a result along the card, and I'll just wait for a minute to show you the result card.